Escape to your own private paradise, where rolling pastures, resort-style amenities, and a custom-built luxury home create an unforgettable lifestyle. Set on 49 breathtaking acres, just 5 minutes from historic downtown Madison, this extraordinary estate offers the perfect balance of elegance, privacy, and recreation. From the moment you arrive, you'll be surrounded by beautifully maintained grounds, mature landscaping, abundant wildlife, and a peaceful setting that feels worlds away from everyday life. The custom-built residence was thoughtfully designed with exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. Expansive living spaces flow effortlessly from one room to the next, while oversized walls of glass invite the beauty of the surrounding countryside inside. Every finish, fixture, and feature has been carefully selected to create a home that's both luxurious and welcoming, making it equally suited for everyday living and unforgettable entertaining. Step outside and you'll discover your own private resort. The spectacular PebbleTec swimming pool with a tanning ledge anchors an incredible outdoor living space, while the stunning double-sided fireplace creates the perfect gathering place for relaxing with family and friends. For the ultimate wellness experience, the property also features a private sauna, steam shower, and cold plunge, allowing you to recharge without ever leaving home. The estate continues to impress with amenities designed for every lifestyle. A beautifully appointed 2-bedroom guest apartment provides comfortable accommodations for extended family or visitors. Horse enthusiasts will appreciate the 2-stall barn, complete with a large tack room, generous storage, and fenced pasture, while the impressive social barn creates an incredible venue for celebrations, entertaining, or special events. Multiple garages provide abundant room for vehicles, recreational equipment, and hobbies. Whether you're searching for a luxury family estate, an equestrian retreat, or a private countryside escape where every day feels like a vacation, 1271 Plainview Rd delivers an experience that's truly one of a kind. Combining 49 pristine acres, exceptional amenities, complete privacy, and the convenience of being just minutes from downtown Madison, this is far more than a beautiful home. It's a legacy property designed to be enjoyed for generations.